For this 5th grade math project, I'm going to show you how to have your character cycle through different math problems. I'm in Denver's show now, and Denver has his stage, which is this classroom, and Denver has his character. On his character, he says, switch to background classroom. So that means he's uploaded a background and he wants to start the show in the classroom. Denver then has 2 speech bubbles. It says, hello, my name is Denver. I'm excited to show you some math problems. Let's see our first problem. Then Denver switches the background to a background that he actually built, and it says switch to background. That's problem 1. So look what he did before he did all of these codes. He went in and he created his own background that's called problem 1, and he also has one that's called problem 2. So this show starts in the classroom, but then it says let's go to that first problem. Okay? To create a stage, you click on the icon and you just click add background, except this time you paint. So Denver went in and did 2 painted images. He made the background color, he took the text tool, and then he saved it, and those went into where his stage is. Okay, so he starts at the screen that's classroom, he says 2 speech bubbles, and then he goes to background. That's problem 1. Then he uses a code that's called broadcast. Broadcast means to send a secret signal behind the scenes that tells me I'm ready for problem 1. When I receive that code, so now I have a new event code, when I receive problem 1, I am going to ask what is 72 times 10 to the 4th power. That's what problem 1 was on Denver's screen. If my person answers the correct answer, then I'm going to say great job, and I'm going to broadcast problem 2. When I broadcast problem 2, though, I have to go make sure that I switch my background to problem 2, and then I'm going to say let's do another, and it will shoot to problem 2. When I broadcast problem 2, it will pick up this code when I receive problem 2, and it will do a whole nother series of questions. Let's watch this and see what this means. Hello, my name is Denver. I'm excited to show you some math problems. Let's see our first problem. So there's our transfer over. It goes to the background, and it goes to asking the question, and then down here the person has a space to type in their answer. If they type it wrong, he says, try again, and then repeats the question. If they type it right with commas and everything, he says, great job. We've broadcasted for that second problem, which then brings this up on the screen. Now I have to solve this problem, and if I solve it correctly, I can broadcast a new problem. If I solve it incorrectly, it will keep repeating the problem until I answer it correctly. Okay, so the codes look like this. When I receive comes from events. Repeat until comes from control. This green equal sign comes from operators. And on one side, I had to find answer, which comes from sensing. Then I had ask, which comes from sensing. And then all the rest of the codes come from the categories given. I'm going to put this project in your classroom showcase. If it goes into your showcase, you can remix the problem, which means that you can see these codes as they are in the correct order. Good luck. Make sure to save your work.